Hey, sorry guys. Good afternoon, everyone. Sorry for the late. 10 minutes late I
Good
began.
afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Okay.
Good afternoon, Ravikant.
So now, so everyone done the setup, environment setup, guys. Anyone left it now? Anyone? If anyone is there, please let me know that I will help them. Okay. Please respond, everybody. This is the last day of 2022 now.
Yes.
Be active yourself, guys. Okay, in our life,
Yes.
again, new year is going to complete, coming, right? So with the full energy, welcome that year, right? With the full energy, welcome that year. Now this year is going on. Don't make this year also embrace like they are leaving me, and this they are like leaving me as a sad face, right? So make yourself as a like with the full energetic in the session, as well as let's learn it. So I hope everyone is done the setup, environment setup. This is our life, guys. Okay. If we are living the life as a software engineer, then we need to improve ourselves, as well as what? We need to learn the things, right? So because if you is scared to learning the new skills, then IT industry is not for us and not for anyone, right? So anytime, even though, see, whenever I'm waking up, just I'm waking and taking the session morning itself only, but by listening my voice, no one can say that he is waking up, right? With the full energy,
Yes.
right? So your full energy to learning the things, guys. Okay, because see, if anyone, if anyone respecting us means what? Based on that our profession, as well as our, how much we are earning
Content.
money, earning the money. Content is, see boss, if we are doing the hard work, content will come automatically, right? If we are the hardworking person, content will come automatically, as well as what is that? Nothing more than this. But the thing is, society, what the society want, how much that person is earning, and what is the position of this person, right?
Right.
We are the software engineers. We know that content, value of content and all those things, but who is the not related to software profession? Those people were just only how much he's earning now, and what is the status, and what is the position. Based on that, people is like,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So the thing is, guys, okay, put your 100%. Okay, if your career is good, everyone will give the respect, as well as what is that? Everyone will give the responses, right? So now let's begin our session now, guys. Okay, so today we are going to start our TypeScript as a practically, right? Practically, but the thing is still some setup we need, guys. Okay, related to what? Related to doing the practical, those setup also, but don't worry, basic setup we completed now. So everyone is curious about to understand properly our TypeScript now, friends. Come on, please respond.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, so now let's begin our session now, guys. Okay, let's begin our session now. Okay, so same like energy, guys. Okay, with the let's this year now 2 p.m. is happening, means 9 hour 9 10 hour 10 hour is still left, right, to complete this year. Then new year will come, right? So let's not feel this year also. At least I don't know others, but 25 members are there. Let's make this years also happy to like exit in our life. Okay, so in the new year also, tomorrow also we have the session, and we will enjoy our like what, Angular session in the new year also, right? So now let's begin it, guys. So now last time we stopped our discussion on the TypeScript understanding. We are understanding the TypeScript. What is that? Architecture na, come on. TypeScript architecture, right?
Yes.
Architecture now, TypeScript architecture now. Okay, so in that we understood what is that. We are understanding So we are understanding what is that. TypeScript is what? TypeScript is what? Completely being built on the TypeScript itself only, na? Come on. TypeScript.
Yes.
TypeScript language, right? TypeScript language is what is that? Completely build with what is that? Built with what? TypeScript itself only. TypeScript itself only. TypeScript itself only. TypeScript itself only. Now the thing is, guys, so same like whenever we are talking about that another programming language, because here TypeScript is built on the TypeScript language only. But the thing is, this is also talking with what is that? Machine. This is also talking with what is that? Machine. In between any programming language needed, whenever our program, high level programming language needed to communicate with what? Communicate with what is that? Machine. So it's needed some low level language also or not? Come on, it's needed some low level languages, right? Compatible. So
Yes, sir.
right, so interacting with hardware services, na? Hardware services like what is that? Mouse event. Input is nothing but keyboard. If we want to use that word, whenever we are clicking on the keyboard to interacting with what, that input should interact with our machine, then what is that? Some low levels languages is needed, right? So here what? TypeScript is a low, it's supporting what? Low level language also. Low level language. Low level language is what is that? Compatible of what is that? Interacting with what is that? Interacting with what? Hardware. Interacting with what? Hardware services. Hardware services directly. Hardware services directly, right? Hardware services directly, guys. So our what? Our TypeScript having the capability to interact with what? Directly to our hardware machines, guys. Okay. But our JVM is developed on what is that? Whenever see, our JVM is what is that? It won't have capability to interact hardware machines, guys. Okay. Our JVM won't having the capability to, like what is that? Our Java program is what? Developed for the development related web kind of application we can able to develop, like, but our TypeScript is supporting what is that? Machine level languages also, right? Now so every high level high level language required. High level language required what is that? Low level features. Low level features in the background. In the background. So our TypeScript having the what is that? Having our own feature to interacting with what is that? To low interacting with what is that? Low level feature also. It's having low level feature also to interacting with what? Our machines now, guys. So in between, what is that? How our how our TypeScript is working now? What is the architecture of TypeScript now? Let's see that, guys. Okay. Now our TypeScript architecture now. This is our what? TypeScript architecture now. This is visible to everyone, friends. It is visible now.
Yes, visible.
Yes, Ravi.
Now, so before that, we need to understand these things now. Okay, so 1 minute, guys. Okay, I want to check the people names now. Okay, Manjulata continuously this voice is I'm hearing, right? So for the sometimes onward, I'm hearing one more active voice now. Just now, some who's that? Divya Arora, two peoples are there, right? Don't worry, guys. Okay, don't risk yourself. Introduce yourself. At least whenever the people is responding me, right? It's like my 100% focus will be there on that person, right? If anytime needed, reach
Right.
out to me. I can help you. All right. So that is the reason I'm pointing those people. Don't worry about that. Like for me, male and female, both gender is same only. Okay. I'm not giving like some speciality for anyone. Don't worry about that. Right. This kind of personality is not mine. Okay. So the both respect and both level responses will be there the same only. But whoever the responding in my session, right? Compared to who is not responding my session, right? So I'm giving more priority those people. So that is the reason. So that is the good. I appreciate those people, even though like in between, like one Sandeep also continuously he's attending the session, right? Attending the session. These people is really, and as well as what is that fellow whose the name is like just you got like with how much a package with the TCS you are discussing, but that fellow name, what is that? I forgot that person name. Pramod, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So
Yes, sir.
these people is continuously like joining our session as well as attending the session. Even that output also like Pradeep is getting, right? If you want, you can speak about your success, Pramod. I'm giving you 1 or 2 minutes time. You can, if you want to share anything.
Yeah, Ravi. Just recently I got a offer from the TCS
Mhm,
for 19 LPA. But before that, I was working. I am working. I mean, 5 months before,
mhm.
I placed in emphasis company.
Yeah.
As I saw in YouTube, your sessions means microservices based on this,
Mhm,
and some AngularJS related or Angular related question on the
mhm,
internet. But I got more clarity on Spring Boot related questions, and Spring Boot related means how to develop a Spring Boot application. That was very helpful for me, and that's why I cracked the interview from the TCS.
yeah.
And yeah, before that I was working on a means old project like as a JSP servlet and Spring.
Mhm,
So that was very helpful. And I am also attending your interview 4 years, sir.
mhm,
Actually I have a 5 year experience, but in the 5 year, 2 year experience in JSP servlet, 2.5 year experience in JSP servlet and Hibernate, and after that I joined a company. Name is Net Solution in
mhm,
Chandigarh,
mhm,
where I worked on a Play framework,
mhm.
Play and Scala framework.
Yeah.
After that, I thought there are in Spring Boot. That's I move into the Spring Boot related.
Mhm. Yeah. So good. Pramod, and congratulations
Almost.
for your new opportunity. All right. So the thing is only
Yeah.
one thing. Like guys, just 1 minute. I'm stopping the recording.